Why, hello, Healthy Beauties! Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Today is a new day and I decided to put on makeup. I was working till 4:30. I've been editing this empties videos, which is taking forever. I don't know honestly why. It's just not wanting to export. And I'm really sad because it took a long time to edit. So hopefully we can get that up and going. But I am going to run some errands because we're leaving for Chicago on Friday and it's cold, y'all. Like, it is cold over there. Watch. Hey Google, what is the weather in Chicago?
Right now in Chicago, it's 23 and clear.
23 degrees. 23 degrees. Oh my gosh. I live in Florida. I'm not used to that type of cold. So I'm a little nervous. I need to go find scarves, hats. Most importantly, I'm trying to find boots. I really want some boots just so that my legs are protected, my feet are warm, because that is cold. That is cold, cold, cold. So yeah, I'm gonna hunt for some like winter essentials. I like getting staples that I can use all the time whenever I travel, because we travel a lot and coincidentally we always travel when it's cold. Never to hot locations, just when it's cold. So I really want to try to find these boots, but we'll see. If I find them, great, and if not, well, oh well. Hey Papa! Starky Boo. Starky Boo. I swear every time he sees a camera, he looks away. Papa? Mira? I don't think I ever showed y'all my beautiful lights. So we put these little blue ones. They twinkle so nicely. They're LED. We have Mr. Snowman here. And my husband put them all across. Plus we have this one, which is really cute. And a little Christmas tree right there. But we want to add a couple more. The first stop for today's shopping extravaganza is going to be Old Navy. I'm not going to be vlogging like talking wise, but I'm going to show you some of the cute things I think they have inside this Old Navy. So let's go find some good things. Hopefully we can find some cute stuff. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are so cute. I'm taking this one, and this one home. These are so cute. Also, excuse my nails. I need to repaint them. This is super cute. I guess I am gonna talk. I really like this one and this one. I feel like I can use this all year round. There wasn't really much at Old Navy, to be honest. I ended up getting a scarf and the little undergarments because it's cold over there in Chicago. And I got my husband a scarf that he really wanted because he doesn't even own a scarf and he definitely is gonna need one. So I'm going to go to Burlington. Hopefully they have some sweaters. The sweaters here were super expensive, like $30. I'm not spending $30 on a sweater because we hardly even use them here in Florida at all. So I'm gonna go try to find a cheaper sweater at Burlington. I usually get them at the Salvation Army, but today I had to work and I didn't get to go, so let's go hit up Burlington real quick. Let's hope we can find what we're looking for. I found all the sweaters. However, they're so expensive. This thing is $30. I'm not spending $30 on a sweater that I'm gonna wear literally one day because it's never cold here. This is why I always go to the Salvation Army for sweaters, because this is ridiculous. I mean, if I lived up north, totally I would invest $30. But I don't. I'm literally never gonna wear this thing again. This is really annoying. So the sweaters were a bust. However, I think I found some boots. Look how cute these are. They're only 25 bucks. And then these long ones, which look really nice, are only 30. Oh no, they're 8.5. These are kind of cool. I found another pair. So these are kind of cute. They're not as leathery looking. They're kind of a little bit of shiny, hint of gray. But I really like the way the front of these look. And I think they'll keep my warm, or at least my ankles. My ankle's pretty warm with these little fuzzies. And it's not expensive versus these. I'm not a fan of these shoelaces, but also this, I don't know. You see the difference. Then I went with this one. I made it back to the house. Now let me show you the things that I got. I have currently the Grinch playing in the background, in case you hear that. But I ended up getting these booties. I really like the way they look. I don't know, they're shiny. They have really thick soles and they're kind of light too, so it's nice. And I love this part so it can keep me nice and warm. Now I also ended up getting these socks. These have fleece inside. I hope I'm saying that right. But I'm gonna be a scaredy cat when it comes to the colds, and it says that it keeps your toes warm and dry from the coldest of climates. So hopefully I'll be prepared for the Chicago winter. And then from Old Navy, I ended up getting my husband a scarf. I got this little set of like undergarments. I don't know what to call them, but they keep you nice and warm. So I got the pants with the matching long sleeve shirt. I feel like this color is very neutral, so I can wear it year round, like if it gets cold in October, November, like it did this year. Then I ended up getting this scarf. I love this scarf. It's so pretty. And these I caved because they were super cute. Look how cute they are. They were only $4. And since I work from home, I want some to keep my feet nice and warm. But this is everything that I got. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make my outfits. So let's do some outfit building here. This is what I have so far. Outfit number 1. We have the scarf that I wore. The scarf that I just bought. I have this vest underneath this puffy jacket. I'm scared that I'm still gonna be a little bit cold, so I figured I'd layer. So let's start with the first layer actually, so rewind. The first one is gonna be this undershirt. So this is one of those thermal ones, so it should keep me warm. The next one is gonna be this Old Navy one that I got last year that says love, and I still love this sweater, it's so cute. The third one is gonna be this vest. It looks so cute together, it kind of matches. And then the last layer is going to be the actual jacket itself with the scarf that we got. Now for my shoes, I'm going to be wearing these old school Coach shoes. These are one of my oldest pairs of shoes when I used to work at Coach. Fun fact, I used to work there. And I feel it's just very relaxed because we're going to be going the first night to the Christmas market and just walking around. So this is going to be my first outfit and hopefully I'll be warm. It's also going to be the warmest day, aka warm, because it's still going to be freezing. The next outfit, oh, and by the way, I'm wearing jeans with this, and underneath my jeans, I also have thermal pants to keep me warm. So yeah, I think I should be good. I'm missing a hat. I need to find my bin of like accessories. I'll show you guys later once I find it because I think it's in my attic. The next one is this one. This one's more, fun. And I am going to be wearing this red jacket. I'm going to be using this little pleather leggings that my mom got. But what's cool is that inside it's fleece, you guys. So definitely going to be wearing this. I might still wear underneath here some thermals, which actually let me go get it. Here they are. I'm gonna take them just in case. I'm gonna try to put them inside this just because this, I don't know, I'm scared once again I'm gonna be still kind of cold. So, layer is key. Then underneath I'm gonna wear this long sleeve shirt, okay, with this nice little sweater. This is an oldie but a goodie. It's just such a neutral color. It goes with everything. And then with this one, how cute are the shoes that we ended up getting today. So these are gonna be the ones that go with this outfit. And then we have this one. This is the one that I'm still not sure yet. I haven't decided. This is gonna be the one that I'm gonna use when we go to the zoo. So I really wanna be really warm. So first layer, obviously, are the thermals that I got today. So it's the shirt and the pants. Second layer is gonna be this turtleneck. I love how sparkly and pretty it is. And then the last layer is gonna be obviously this one. I'm missing a scarf for this and that outfit. Like I said, I have to find that bin. And then for my pants, I'm gonna be using this one. And I really am not sure about this combo quite yet, because I also have a red sweater that I feel would look really cute, but I like the fact that this is turtleneck. I want a turtleneck this night, because this night's gonna be cold. And yeah, that's basically that outfit. This outfit, I might wear the same shoes, the fuzzy ones, or I might take my trusty shoes. I got these in Mexico when I used to travel for my other work. They are so good to me. I love them. They're comfortable and they're cute. So I don't know. I might change it. So this is what it looks like with the red. So you see, I feel like it needs a pop of red or something for Christmas, but I think I'm gonna try to find also a hat that goes with it that might be red and a scarf that's red. So we'll see. I don't know. This one's still iffy. But that's basically my outfits. Because we're going to be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday we come back. And Monday is just going to be like, you know, that jacket and throw something underneath and that's it. Ooh, yeah, look at that. My husband made me some lunch. Or actually dinner. Because it's late. Alright, I'm going with the green and the gray, you guys. I think it looks good. Expect some Instagram pictures. I'm trying out my outfits. They all look good, so I think I'm good to go. The only thing that I have left is my outfit coming back. And since I live in Florida, check this out, you guys. I'm gonna be wearing this on the plane because I'm gonna be coming back to palm trees, baby. Anyways, that is basically today's vlog. Very short. I'm gonna go though, it's really hot. Woo, I can't even breathe. This is gonna be hard holding this. I even tried on my gloves. But like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.